Previously on Battlestar Galactica.
What do we got down here? That's some leftover tint from forever ago. It's a spring from the adjuster. Looks like gonna need to do some vacuuming and cleaning. It's a good opportunity to do that, but yep, sure sign of a stored vehicle. I got some mouse poops in here, rat poops, a bunch of places, so that does not make me happy. Let's vacuum this out and then we will need to take care of our vermin problem.
Any ideas?
Just like the other side, this one's not as bad. There isn't any mold or anything weird. There are some stains from the grease on the tracks. So this side is gonna need some attention with some shampoo as well. So we'll need to do some steam cleaning, some carpet shampooing, get it all spiffied up. So we've got this, I don't know what this is. It's mold, whatever, this discoloration in the carpet. We are gonna try some Chemical Guys stuff to get at it. This is their lightning fast stainless extractor, so let's see how it does. So the directions say to just spray it on, you know, shake well, all right, whatever. It's liquid, so there's not a lot to shake, but vacuum the area, agitate the area. So we're gonna be agitating it with a spin brush here on the drill and see what we do with this. right, we got some pretty thick grease in the carpet from the seat rails here, and the seat rails, because of the grease they have, are really jammed up with junk. So I'm going to try to clean those, and then we'll re-lubricate them with new silicone grease, or I think it might be white lithium grease that's supposed to go in here. See if I can get that out. Not sure what to use. Some degreaser. Obviously it's grease, that might work. So we'll try that. Okay, so it is a little hard to film with like the sideways bright sunlight coming in, but done the first deep clean of the Corrado carpets here in, I'm gonna say it's history. So the car's a 93. That puts that at getting close to 30 years. 30 years of stuff accumulating underneath the seats, and we've done a pretty good job of cleaning that out, getting rid of the stuff that was stuck in there. Way better than it was. So yeah, happy with the day's work, and I think tomorrow afternoon we're gonna get back into, well, we gotta do the motor mounts. So I gotta finish the motor mounts, and then we can get back into the supercharger install. So that is coming. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit of deep cleaning. Some of you are kind of into that thing, so cool. Hope that satisfied you, and tomorrow we will get back into the mechanical and going fast thing. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot, and I hope you come back again soon to see one of our videos as we continue the projects with the Corrado and the Fiat and the Jettas and the R32 and all this stuff. So tune back in. We'll see you soon. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you. Bye-bye.